Dear students of Class 1, I am Mrs. Neha Makkad and today we are going to continue with the concept of subtraction further. Let us revise the concept of subtraction. When we take away or remove or minus, it is called as subtraction. Like for example, you can see 5 balloons here. If we take away one balloon, what is left is 4 balloons. Subtraction is denoted by a minus sign. As you can see in the picture, I have circled the minus sign. There are 7 footballs here. By using the technique of crossing out, we cross out one football. What is left is 6. So, total 6 footballs are left. The answer of the operation of subtraction is known as difference. Like in the picture, there are 7 footballs and when we remove one football out of it, the answer which is obtained is known as difference. Now children, today we will learn how to subtract 0 from the given number. But first of all, we need to understand what is the value of 0. The value of 0 is of no object, means it carries no value. So when we will subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number itself. Let us have a look at some examples. When 0 is taken away from any number, the answer or the difference is the number itself. Like you can see, when we subtract 0 from the number 3, the number or the answer that we get, the difference that we get is 3. Let us have a look at the second example. As you can see, there are 7 flowers in the pot. And when we remove no flowers or 0 flowers from it, we get the same number itself, that is 7. In the third example, as you can see, there are 9 gift boxes kept on the table. When we remove no boxes, that is 0 boxes from it, we get the same number itself, that is 9. Now today children, we will learn about the ways of carrying out subtraction. The first method of carrying out subtraction is vertical subtraction and the second method is horizontal subtraction. Now let us understand what is horizontal subtraction. When we place the numbers from left to right and carry out the operation of subtraction, it is known as horizontal subtraction. But we will always children place the numbers according to their place value. That is, first is the tens place and then is the ones place. Like you can see in the example, there are 2 cups of tea kept. Out of 2 cups, we remove 1. The answer which we obtain is 1. There are 5 eggs given in the second picture. If we remove 3 eggs from the 5 eggs, what we get is 2. Now children, we will see how we carry out horizontal subtraction with the given examples. Just now we have learned how to minus 0 from a given number. So when we deduct or minus no apple from the given apples, the answer what we obtain is 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. We get the same number itself when we subtract 0 or when we minus 0 from any given number. In the second example, when we cross out one apple, the answer which we get is 7. 8 minus 1, the difference or the answer is 7. In the third example, when we cross out 2 apples from the given 8 apples, the answer or the difference that we obtain is 6. Then again, when we cross out 3 apples from 8 apples, the answer or the difference that we get is 5 apples. In the next one, when we cross out 4 apples from 8 apples, the answer that we get is 4. In the next one, when we cross out 5 apples from the given 8 apples, the answer or the difference that we obtain is 3. Again, when we cross out 6 apples from the given 8 apples, the answer which we obtain is 2. The difference that we obtain is 2. In the next one, when we cross out 7 apples from the given 8 apples, the answer that we obtain is 1. And when we cross out all the 8 apples from the given 8 apples, the answer which we obtain is 0. Now children, we will try to understand what is vertical subtraction. So when we place the numbers one above the other according to its value, as I told you earlier also, according to the place value, first the tens place, then the ones place, it is known as vertical subtraction. In this operation, we will keep the bigger number above the smaller number and then we will subtract using vertical columns. That is why this operation is known as vertical subtraction, because we place the numbers one above the other according to its place value. As you can see in the example, there are total of 7 footballs. When we minus or when we take away one football from it, what is left is 6. That is, the difference is 6. In the second example, there are 5 frogs. Out of the 5 frogs, when we cross out 2 frogs, the answer which we obtain is 3. The difference is 3. This type of operation is known as vertical subtraction. Now children, I am giving you some exercise for practice both in the types of horizontal subtraction and vertical subtraction. Horizontal subtraction, you will write the answers directly in the boxes, and the vertical subtraction, as you can see, you will draw the lines and then you will cross and show the difference as one solved example is solved for you. Thank you children.